My name is Lindo, and yes, that's my grandmother on my wallpaper. So let's talk about the app that I used to save like 3,000 something from the 1st of January. I was saving 10 Rand each day. The app has some really cool features that you can use. You can choose the amount of money that you want to save. But then, well, before I just tell you all about the app, let's see how the app looks like. This is the app. Stash app by Liberty. When you go to your Play Store or wherever you download your apps, you will find another Stash app which doesn't look like this. Just make sure that you download the one that has this sign that is green and white and has, is it a dollar sign or a hashtag and an S? Okay, that doesn't sound right, but then yeah, the one S for Stash. You download this one, you are going to create an account, they're going to want your ID, they want to link it to your bank account, so they're going to automatically take money from your bank. Every time they're going to send you a notification. If you have chosen that you want to save 10 Rand each day, like every day after 24 hours, they will send you a notification. Do you want to stash 10 Rand? Then if you say yes, they'll take the 10 Rand from your bank account and save it for you. And if you've chosen 20 Rand, they'll do the same. Now let's just open the app. Yes, you'll have to verify because it's by Liberty. You know Liberty, right? That insurance company. So it's they have to go through some security stuff and verify that this is really you and all stuff like that. But I can tell you it is safe. I've been using it for the past 3 years, but then this year was my first time when I've actually used it from the start of the year to the end of the year. Like that. Okay, let's open the app. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my PIN, then you log in. So this is going to be the home screen. So this is my balance currently. You can see that it's 3,479 Rand 80 cents. I'm pretty sure this 9 Rand is just coming from other random cents that I've been saving over the past few days or past few months. Okay, so you can see that now it's saying it's counting down. The clock is counting down. 23 hours, 34 minutes, 25 seconds. It's going down. So when this reaches 00, it will send me a notification asking me if I want to stash another 10 Rand because I was on 10 Rand saving mode. Okay, so let's explain some of the features here. The first one, it is stash when it's sunny. It means that you are going to choose the amount of money that you want to save based on the weather. Like if it's sunny, if your phone or the weather app installed in your phone or the GPS or whatever, okay, the GPS doesn't tell the weather, but then whatever it is that is inside your phone is telling the app that it's going to be a sunny day. So on that particular day, you're going to save a certain amount of money. And then, okay, if you click on it, then I'll have to say allow. Obviously, they will have to know your location. That's why I talked about GPS. Anyway, I wasn't entirely wrong about GPS. Stash when I sweat. This one means that whenever you're making a certain number of steps, when you are walking, jogging, running, doing some exercises, you'll take some money from your bank account and save it for you. And then this one, stash if there's load shedding, right? So whenever your area is going to be experiencing load shedding, you are going to save some money. The future where you can choose how much money you want to save. Do you want to save 1 Rand every time there's load shedding? And also depending on the stage, if you want to save 1 Rand every time there's load shedding. If there's going to be stage 5 at your area, they might take that 1 Rand and multiply it by 5. So it means that whenever there's stage 5, you're going to save 5 Rand. Whenever there's stage 10, Lord forbids, you're going to save 10 Rand, like that. So, and then another cool one that I've used a number of times is the stash with the 10 cent challenge. This one is quite interesting. Actually, let me just activate it right now. So what is going to happen is that if I press on the start here, what will happen is that every day the 10 cents, they're going to accumulate. Okay, first day I'm going to save 10 cents. They're going to take 10 cents from my account and save it for me. The following day, they're going to add another 10 cents. No, they're not going to take 10 cents. They're going to take 10 cents plus 10 cents. So this is the second day. It's more like math, number patterns. That day is going to be 30 cents. They're going to take 30 cents. Like that. That's why you can see that this thing is just going up, like that. Okay. On day 1, you invest 10 Rand. Day 2, 20 cents. Day 3, 30 cents, like that. And then at the end of the year, if you just continue doing it like for 365 days, this is how much you're going to have. If I swipe to the right, this is what is going to happen. you are going to see this. Okay, this is the slide that determines how much you want to stash each day. See, now it's on 100 rand. It means they'll send me a notification asking me if I want to stash 100 rand. So you can take it from 100 rand to 50 to 20 to 10 rand to 5 rand. So stash on sunny days, we talked about it. Stash when you're sweating, you can activate it. Also stash when there's load shedding, like that. You can choose the amount of money that you want to stash, like 5 rand, 10 rand, whenever. Like I said, like multiply the amount by the load shedding stage. Now let's go to the boost my stash. Like it's more like at the end of each month, you're going to boost it. If you've been saving 10 rand, 10 rand, 10 rand, then at the end of the month, you can choose to put in 100 rand, like just to supplement it. They're going to take the 100 rand and put it for you. Like every month, you can change anytime. That's the nice part about it. Like you are not constricted on the convert. No. You said you're going to put 100 rand. You're always going to put 100 rand. You cannot take it lower to 50 rand. You can put it to 50 rand. You can like that. Okay. So now let's go to split my money into. So this one, I don't really entirely understand it, but I know that there are two sections. One of them, you're just saving the money. It's more like just saving the money in your bank account. And then the other one, they're taking the money that you are stashing, they are going to invest it into the top 40 companies in South Africa. Click on change here. If I click on change, you see, for me, currently, it is on cash plus, like 100%. All the money that I put into, it's just going to be like cash plus. If I slide this thing, so you can see that now it has changed. Some of the money is here, some of the money is outside, like that. So, or you can put all of it on the top 40 shares, like the companies, the top 40 companies in the country, and you can click on more information to learn more about it. So for me, it's on 100% cash plus. I'm just saving the money. Okay. Now, okay, obviously at the end you have to say, I understand that this is not advice. So it's entirely up to you. You make this decision after doing your own independent research. Okay. Okay, which other thing that we didn't talk about? Okay, well, maybe since you have to be like 18 years and older to I think to use the app. Like I said, they will verify your information and everything about you. If maybe there's a child that you want to save for, you can add the child here. Well, for me, I don't have a child, so this is where your card will be linked. Okay, so you're going to link your card. Mine is Capitec. You're going to link your card, and then they'll just constantly take the money there. It doesn't have bank charges. That's the nice part. It doesn't have bank charges. Okay, it doesn't have bank charges. And then what's the next thing? Oh, okay. Here it says, okay, my stash is paused. Okay, I think I just pressed that by mistake. So if it happens that sometimes, okay, as a student, there are times when I like literally was broke to a point whereby I had nothing in my bank account. So obviously the app doesn't know that you're broke. It will just constantly send you a reminder that you do want to stash. And if you stash whilst there's nothing in your account, chances are something they're going to charge you on your bank account because you are trying to make a transaction without any money. So it's important that, I think it's important that if you don't have the money in your account, or you don't want to continue stashing on daily basis, you can just, it will give you the option of pause, like here, like right now, right? It says pause. You can click on pause, and then whenever you have the money and you're ready to continue, you can press resume, like that. Okay, then at the end here it has your details, my phone numbers. Yeah, it has my phone numbers and my email address. Don't call me, don't send me an email, thank you very much. And obviously you can change your pin here if, okay, yes, about cashing out. When you come here, this is the first slide, the home page that you'll always see when you log in. The third one, I have this amount of money as of 12th December 2022. Then I can choose to withdraw all of it here. Like I can put the amount that I want to withdraw here. I can put the amount that I want to withdraw here, but then for me it won't be possible because all of my money was 100% on this side. There's nothing that I've saved this side, so I can only withdraw from this side. So then continue with cash out, and then I'll click here. Then I'll click on continue with cash out, and then after I think 4 to 7 days, it will reflect on my bank account. I'll have all the money and I can just redo the whole process all over and all over again. And then there is the section where if you want to like somehow have some questions, you know, frequently asked questions, where you can click on this question mark here. If you click on this question mark here, I'm pretty sure it will take you to the frequently asked questions. Yes, it will take you there. It'll take you there. Invite a friend. Or when you are new and you click on invite friend, you see that they're saying if you use my code for your Stash app, like when you are still registering, I will get a 10 rand, you will get a 10 rand, but then that is limited to just 10 friends. For me, I've already invited 10 people, so chances are you are not going to get anything if you are using my code. So we're inviting friends. If you're having a voucher, I'm not sure where we'll get a voucher for Stash, but you can use it there. And then these are the contact details, and then these are mostly of the frequently asked questions that if you have questions, you can first like read these questions. Pretty easy, straightforward, and some of the details, all bunch of, I remember reading these, all of them one by one. So yeah, they are really helpful. So, and if maybe your question is not answered or whatever technical problem that you're having, you can just contact the people here. This is their email, hello@stash.co.za. So yes, I am pretty much happy that I've managed to save this amount of money in a year. For a student who's just getting a merely stipend that can barely afford anything, I feel proud that I managed to save like up to, how much is this? 3k. It will help me. I'm not planning on withdrawing it now because I know it's festive season and I'm likely to just buy booze with all of it if I if I withdraw it. But anyway, so I'll just keep stashing. Like I will only use it when I feel like, you know what, now I am in desperate need of money. Anyway, yeah, it's good for students, good for anyone who's working. Like literally anyone can use it. Anyone. Tell your friend to tell a friend to tell their friend to tell their go-go's that here's a Stash app. It's good. Yes, obviously somebody will tell you like, no, investing is better. Yes, I know about investing. I know it all. I am investing on easy equities and other platforms. I know about that. But then this one is just another one to save daily. It's like more you're saving your change. Maybe at some point I'll be able to stash like 50 rand per day. I can't wait for those days. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching and all the best. Have a great festive season.